a little bit about why there might be a gap in training or employment history for a physician.
Sure. Well, for physicians, particularly, it could be something as minor as, a gap in their training, due to, some personal issue, whether it's, illness or, for themselves or illness within the family, that may put them off cycle as far as their training schedule. So it's not uncommon to see, physicians starting 6 months late, for example. Sometimes up to a year, particularly gaps in training are, again, some sort of personal issue that again just prohibited them from starting on time. And typically it's, something minor, it's not a major issue, that's going to affect them significantly when it comes to getting a job. Whereas on the other end of the spectrum, sometimes there can be some background issues, some malpractice cases or licensure restrictions or things like that for post-training physicians that can obviously put a delay in their work history or put them between jobs for an extended amount of time before they're able to find a new position. So those are the typical examples or instances where you see gaps in someone's CV, and again can really range from something minor to something a little bit more serious.